welcome to Stunning Hub. Today I'm gonna show you how to paste texture on a mesh in the Blender. Without doing further, let's get started. So the first thing we need to change is the Blender mode. Change it to the cycle render from here, right? After that, we're gonna change the background color from here. We can see the background color by rendering the image by pressing Shift plus Z. We change it from here by moving the slider like that. Now we have kind of white background. After that, we set the texture from the material tab. Select the color as image texture. You can see that the color of mesh changed to pink. Now open the downloaded texture image from here. Texture should be visible like this, but it's not showing yet. To do this, just drag the corner to the left like this. Now from here, select the UV image editor. Just go to editor mode by pressing tab, press U, click unwrap. Then you can see here we got the map of a mesh. Now to paste the texture, just click here and select the box image. Now we'll see the render image again by pressing Shift plus Z. Drag the corner to the right to hide the UV editor and go to object mode by pressing tab again. Let's draw a plane by pressing Shift plus A. Press S and drag the mouse to scale the plane as much as you want. Drag it a little bit down. Set the viewport like this. Perfect. That's the pretty good texture we got here.